everyone. Today we are going to get a free premium WordPress themes and plugins for free. These includes the different platforms of CMS, which includes the Joomla, Magento, Scripts, HTML and PHP, Blogger, PSD templates and other platforms. So basically this is the article that I have written why these people are sharing these themes and plugins for free and how to get them. And now let's go and dig into the theme lock URL. Just click on this one and it will take you to the official WordPress and other platform that you can download their premium theme and plugins for free. Now basically this is the website themelock.com. You can see this has the WordPress section which provides you the O themes, elegant themes, all of the themes of WordPress, and this includes the CMS themes, and this includes the other e-commerce platforms, and these are HTML and other platforms such includes Blogger, PSD template. Now let's see how to download them. For example, I want to download any of the template that I like, basically Medicare. Now you can also check the demo of this version, how it looks, whether you like it or not. But this is also an easy option. You just need to click on the demo that provides you, and now click here to skip. And now you need to click on the live preview. Now this is the Medicare demo version, and it is pretty cool. Now let's go and download this theme which is on $40, and we are going to download this for free. And now you must remember that zip share, this is a great download, and user cloud. Now let's take a look at both of these and click on open in link new tab, and you can do the same for just copy and paste this in the new tab, and now click on the download now button, and now just click on the save and OK. And basically you might see a lot of pop-up ads that is little frustrating. Then you can use the ad blocker to block the ads. And now click on the user cloud. You can do the same for that. Basically these two options are my favorite, that provides you a quick download. Now this is a fast download which is a premium version, but we are going to go for low but a free download. Now I will click on the download. This is giving me the pop-ups, and I will cancel other downloads, and I will come back to the user cloud, and now I will click on the download which is now ready, and it's giving me the 28 MB. Same for the zippy share. I like the zippy share. If it is not available, the files, you can go for user clouds and other platform as well, but I recommend these both. And now this is downloaded, and you can just click on it, and now it is demo XML, and this include the themes, which is a child theme and the other theme that you can just upload on your WordPress theme section and enjoy your theme. Now this includes the themelock.com. Now let's go and take a look at the other JoJo themes, which provides you the same sort of themes as well. Now click on this one, and basically it will take you to the same sort of look like the theme log. Here you can see WordPress and other developers, bloggers, tips and trick. Now let's go and to download the first one, just for an example that you can download this. Now this is the demo link, and this is the download link. Now I will go and copy the URL and open in the new tab. Now click on the free download, and remember that I'm using ad blocker which stops basically the pop-up ads and other frustrating ads. You can use it too. Now click on the create download link, and boom, your file will be downloaded very soon. And this is how you can actually download all the files, all the stuff that you want to use. And this include the tutorial of you like it. If you like it, do come and read all the article what it says all about, and you can get a lot of information from this website. And of course, you can download the free Udemy courses for free, and this includes tons of hacking, cybersecurity, and other tools of hacking. And you can get digital marketing, web development, Google AdSense, online earning, other stuff for free. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.